How to set up WhatsApp business profile. Here is a step-by-step guide. First things first, you want to open up your WhatsApp Messenger personal account, head into settings. Once on the settings, head into chats, and there make sure to back up your chat under chat. Backup. Now I'm not backing up here since I already backed it up on my Google account here. On my iPhone, I'll have to back it up to my iCloud, so I don't want to do that. But if you're doing so, make sure to back it up. Once you have backed up, you want to head over to WhatsApp Business. Open up WhatsApp Business and it'll ask whether you want to agree and continue. Tap on agree and continue, and if you're using the same device, it'll automatically detect your account. If you want to use that particular account, tap on use that number. If not, you can tap on use a different number. Now I'll select use this number here. If you're using a different number, it'll send a verification code if it is a separate device. If it is a same device, it'll simply transfer your account real quick to business. Then you can see you want to enter in your business name here, then tap on next. It'll start updating. Then select your business category here. Tap on next again. You can also see more categories and add them. Once you have done so, you want to add your business hours by appointment only, always open, or open for selected hours. I'll just select always open and I'll turn off Saturday here. Tap on save and then proceed to tap on next. Then you want to add in a profile photo by tapping on add photo option here and choosing from your library or taking a photo, but I'll just skip this here. Then you can see more ways to find you. Tell customers where your business is located. You want to enter in reason, and if you have website, you want to paste the link here. I'll just skip this for now. Then you want to enter in tell potential customers what you do. You want to write a description on your business, and you want to tap on next as well here, and your account should be set up. So this is real quick and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.